everyone, I'm Yvonne from National Computer College. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something super important for anyone who's using the internet, VPNs. Maybe you've heard of them, but you're not quite sure what they do or how they work. Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a VPN is, why you might need one, and how it keeps your online activities safe. Stay tuned for the benefits of using a VPN. Alright, let's start with the basics. Every time you go online, whether you're visiting a website, checking your email, or streaming a video, your device sends a request over the internet. This request passes through the Internet Service Provider or ISP and then reaches the website or service you're trying to access. But here's the thing. When you use the internet in this way, your data is traveling out there in the open. Think of it like driving on a public highway where anyone can see what car you're in, where you are going, and what you are carrying. Your ISP and even some other people snooping around can see everything you're doing online. Sounds kind of risky, right? And that's where a VPN or virtual private network comes in. A VPN is like your own private tunnel on the internet highway. With a VPN, your internet connection gets encrypted. This means that all the data you send, like the website you're visiting, the video you're watching, or even the password you are entering, gets scrambled into a secret code. Only you and the VPN server know how to read it. This encryption protects your data from anyone trying to intercept it. So even if someone does try to spy on your connection, they'll only see a bunch of gibberish. It's like sending messages in a secret language that only you and the VPN understand. But that's not all a VPN does. It also helps protect your location. You see, whenever you connect to the internet, websites can track where you are based on your IP address, which is like your home address on the web. This is how websites can personalize content for you or in some cases even block access to certain content based on your location. So when you use a VPN, it hides your real IP address. Instead, it gives you an IP address from the location of the VPN server you're connected to. So if you're sitting at home in Vereniging South Africa, but you connected to a VPN server in, let's say, Tokyo, websites will think that you are browsing from Japan. This is cool, right? This is super useful for things like accessing content that might be restricted in your country. So if you want to watch a show that's only available in another country, just connect to the VPN server in that region and voila, you've unlocked it. But it's not just about watching Netflix from another country. A VPN can also help you avoid censorship in some regions where certain websites or services might be blocked. It's also about giving you more freedom on the internet. To sum it all up, here's what a VPN does in 3 simple steps. It creates a secure tunnel for your data, protecting it from prying eyes. It encrypts your data so that even if someone intercepts it, they can't read it. It hides the real location by masking your IP address. And now, as promised, the benefits of using a VPN. When you use a VPN, websites and apps can't track your access, track you across the internet. VPN Use encryption to prevent snoopers from eavesdropping on you. It changes your virtual location. Your IP address uniquely identifies you. Using a VPN lets you change your IP address and make it harder for others to pinpoint your real location. When you connect to a public Wi Fi, cyber criminals can easily intercept your personal data. A VPN is your best choice to protect yourself from digital threats. Gamers, this one is for you. Using a game VPN online helps you to minimize lag, lower the ping, and boost your connectivity. It protects you from DDoS attacks by concealing your IP address. ISPs often deliberately slow down your speed when you're streaming during peak hours. Using a VPN helps you put an end to ISP content-based throttling. Moms, listen up. Some online stores shows you higher prices based on your IP address. So let's save some money and get cheaper flights, hotels, rentals, and other online services, as well as some shopping. So if you want to browse safely on the public Wi-Fi and protect your personal information or access content from anywhere in the world, a VPN is your go-to tool. It's like having your own private, secure line on the internet highway. Now, who wouldn't want that? I hope you found this video helpful to clear up how VPNs work. If you found this useful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now and get more easy to understand tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.